I'm Thomas Mitchell, the Client Director at Oxford Risk.
Thank you so much for coming. You're doing a great job, I see all so far, working in the event inside. What makes you excited about banking in the future?
One of the things that attracted us to attend this PulseCore kind of event was really looking at the delegates who are here, and some really exciting people from the industry, and we're really trying to understand, does behavioural finance have an application for the future? We definitely believe it does, partly because we're a behavioural finance company, but some of the delegates have been really interesting topics they're talking around in terms of onboarding, digitisation, and we think there is a real future for understanding clients in a kind of bespoke and unique way, and how can we fit services to them rather than just presuming everyone's the same. So that really excites us, and there seems a great kind of synergy between the things we're talking about and what other banks are talking about as well.
Exactly, and have you heard some interesting information so far?
There's been some, because I've been chairing the events, I've listened to all the talks, and there's been some really interesting topics from the likes of HSBC, ING, for example, some great kind of understandings and takeaways there, and hopefully some future partnerships as well.
So what do you think of the audience? It's very diverse. I think they are very active. Do you agree?
Yes, definitely. It's a really diverse audience in terms of geographies and also positions within firms as well. So it gives a good spectrum of who's out there thinking different things in institutions, and it's been really fascinating understanding the differences between banks, because often as a fintech ourselves, we presume all banks are the same, but actually there is quite a lot of difference between, say, UK focused banks on the retail space versus European banks. So it's been fascinating, really.
So who would you recommend to go to this event in the future? Or who is this the best place to go to?
I'd say it's people that want a better understanding of what's happening in the banking sector, to understand what are the different things going on. Also people looking to learn how can their product better fit with maybe the banking sector, to get really good insights, understanding how can we better fit with the products and solutions banks are already offering, and how can we embed ourselves in the financial ecosystem.